In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone speaker sound is too low. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you can do is to head over to your phone settings. Now scroll down and find accessibility. So tap on accessibility. Now tap on touch and scroll down until you find this call audio routing. So what you want to do is to make sure that this setting is set to automatic, because there are times that your phone might be connected to some external speakers or headphones. So you want to select to automatic. Now you want to go back again. Now from here, what you want to do is scroll down and tap on hearing devices. So make sure that the hearing aid compatibility setting is turned off. So if this is turned on, it might uh, make your speaker or audio a bit too low. So now let's go back. Next thing you can do is go back to your settings and select sounds and haptics. Now from here you want to scroll down and tap on headphone safety. So from here, as you can see, the setting which says reduce loud audio is turned on. So what you want to do is turn this off. So what this does is reduce any sound that is over a set decibel level. So we want this setting to be turned off. So that's all the ways you can try and fix your speaker sound is too low. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.